today we're gonna upgrade it with the things we have in our house, like glitter papers, A4 papers, and scissors and glues. So for this, you need a plain hairband in any color you like. I took black. 3 pieces. I have here 2 because I have made 1 flower here. 3 pieces of any color paper you like. So the length and breadth both should be 6 centimeters. Then you need a glue gun, glue, a scissor, and a marker. Then you also need, you can take 4 papers, cardboard, or anything else that is hard enough to make 2 ears. It should be, you can make it in any color you like. I took blue and I surrounded it with glitter paper. Then you can decorate it. Then here, you can either take a seashell or a handmade unicorn. I made this with glitter paper. You can make it in any way you like. So, let's get started. First, you need to take your hairband. Then, you need to on your glue gun and keep. You need to place your ears in the right position. So this ear goes here for me, this ear goes here. Leave space for the unicorn horn and the flowers. And now you can glue it on. So you take the glue gun. I'm gonna apply it to my ear. Like this, you're gonna apply it and leave it to dry until you apply other parts. Then I'm gonna apply the other ear. Be careful when you use the hot glue gun because the glue can be very hot, and do not touch the point where the glue comes out. Always ask an adult for help. Then you are gonna apply the unicorn horn, the best part. And then you're going to test it out on your head. Does it look good on me? Now we are going to move on to apply the flower. So this is the flower I made. So you for the middle you can add pearls or just a piece of small paper. I'm going to add pearls and highlight it with a black marker. So you take the paper square, then you fold it into a triangle. This. You can either use a ruler if you like. Then you are going to take one end and put it to the other side, not completely, just like this. Then you are going to put the other end in the same. Then you are going to take a marker or a pencil and put a curve in the middle, like from here to here. So it's going to be our flower petal. In this flower, there's going to be 6 petals. You can make it in any size you like. This is the flower petal I made. Then you're going to cut it. Be careful when you use scissors. Even so dangerous, it can be really harmful. Then you're going to open your flower. Oh, it looks nice. Then you're going to take one part of the 6 petals and then you're going to cut one line. Don't cut a whole petal, just cut it like this. And then you're going to take some glue and apply it right over here. Apply it on one petal, then put the other petal over it. Like this. Now you can leave it to dry. Now we are going to take a black or any color you like and we are going to make it highlight. So I'm going to put one dot here. Then I'm going to put lines around it like its anthers. Then I'm going to take one of these beads, golden beads, and apply it in the middle of the flower. Voila! One of the flowers are done. Now you're going to leave it to dry next to your other flower. I'm going to teach you only how to make 2 flowers, but you can make a 3rd flower also if you want. Now you're going to take your other paper and do it in the same way. Fold it into a triangle. Take one end and put it to the other end. And take this end and put it to this end. Then you're going to take your marker and then you're going to do a nice little bridge or a curve. Now you're going to open your lovely little flower. Cut one part. Don't cut the petals. Apply some glue. Apply it on the other petal. And voila! Then we are going to take any color you like. Oh, this is totally optional. If you don't like it, then you can skip it. I like doing it because it gives a beautiful effect to the flower. Like this. Then we will add the last pearl. Middle. Okay, now you're gonna leave the flowers to dry. Now you're gonna take the band that is dried. Then, after your flowers dry, you're gonna apply one by one in this manner. Like this, one flower here, other flower here, and third flower here. So you can take your finger. Again, we're going to do the same process. And apply another flower. Oh no! There's another third flower. Now be safe when you use that glue gun. Now we're gonna let it dry. And after it dries,